Today we are going to see the project name called AI-driven conversational chatbot for laptop and phone recommendations. So the main goal of our project is nowadays people are showing interest to buy products on e-commerce platforms like Flipkart, Amazon. So for that also customers confused when they are selecting the suitable devices. For that we created a project called electronic recommendations by using Flask framework and Gemini AI. So basically, in our project, users to converse naturally with the chatbot to specify their preferences. Based on their preferences, chatbot will give the product. By clicking the product, we can directly buy the product in the website. So in our block diagram, user gives the input, and then Flask app will be generated. In that Flask, Gemini API asks some questions like our preferences. Based on our preferences, it will goes to the dataset. Our dataset name is called student.json. So in our dataset, based on the preferences, it will filter the product and then it will give the output. So if we click the output and then we will buy the product directly from the website. So now we will see about our code. So this is our code. First we need to import the recommended libraries like OS, JSON, different like we need to download first this and then Gemini API. Without this API key, we can't interact with the chatbot. So here we load the data set and then here is the Streamlit setup. And then in our code, first basically detect the product type. First the chatbot asks the type and then designation. Based on the designation, it asks the budget. Based on budget, it will filter from the dataset and then we are saving the chat history for future preferences and then last it will display the product with the link. So now we will see our app code. So this is our app code. We are creating an app by using Flask. And then here also we need a secret key. Without this key, we can't create the Flask. And then Gemini setup, we have set up the Gemini AI. And then here we load our data set and we created a database called electronic in SQL. And then if you run this code means you will get an online. So here is a link. If we click that link means it will goes to the web page. So this is our web page, Agentic AI Assistant for Portable Electronic Device. So here we have a 5 buttons like login, register, about, contact, and protection button. First, we need to log in. Without login, we can't predict. So this is our registration page. Here we need to give name, email address, password, and then first we need to register. And then this is contact page. If you have any doubt means you can contact us. This is our about page. So here, so if we go back means we know it is a prediction page. Here we can interact with the chatbot to get our product based on our requirements. So now we will see. First, chatbot will ask, what can I help you with today? So it asks, are you for looking a laptop or phone? Because our data set is like this only. So we need to tell I'm looking for a phone or laptop. So it will give based on that. So we said I'm looking for a phone. So it is asking what is designation like student or gamer or developer or office professional or designer. If we say student means it will give based on the student or else if gamer means it will give based on that. So student, so it found 5 items. So 5 items. So these are all that phones. So it is asking the budget also. So IQ, OnePlus, Samsung, Samsung Galaxy X23, Apple iPhone. These are all the phones which is actually good for students. So first we need to give the budget in rupees. So I'm giving 50,000 as a budget. So if we give 50,000 means OnePlus Note 5 is suitable for 50,000 and it is best under the price. So actually the original price is 34,990. So if we need to buy means here if we click the buy now means it will goes to the original web page like in Amazon. So here we can see about the phones. So if we click buy now means we can here buy now means it we can directly buy the product.